What's up, guys? It's Car Craftsman here at the Kraftkave. About to show you how to install these bumper tensioners here. Yeah, I know, I got a neon. It's not a race car, but they look good. It's going to match my lugs here. I'm just going to take you through what we got going on here. Real quick, I'm going to open it up. It's got these big washers that got to go behind in order so you're not going to be flexing this the front pins at all. And we're going to just drill a couple holes and install them. It's really that easy. To drill the holes, we're going to start with a small bit and then progressively get bigger. That's basically the way you want to do it. And to space these out on here, you of course have got to have enough room for this spacer to fit in behind. So you're going to go ahead, line it up on here. I already know about where I want to have it. Put your center punch on, center punch, start drilling. Getting progressively bigger with your drill bits definitely allows you to have a whole lot more control, and normally leaves you with a better hole. Of course, if you wanted to use a step drill, you can. No problem with that whatsoever. And a quick Craft Daddy tip, we are going to take the nut and the washer, tape them on together so we're not holding everything. Place the nut back on the tape there, and then use the tape to wrap around the washer. Made the tape a little too small. Just line it up. Get that tape on there. That's going to hold it in place so you don't have to fiddle with it trying to get stuff done. And then it's just as simple as screwing it on. Fender's not any different. You want to make sure you have a good spacing on there, and then a good place to get down inside of your fender to be able to attach it from the back. That's about as far as the other one is. Can't see both sides at the same time, so really don't matter here. Get your center punch so your bit doesn't walk. It's always good to oil your bits. I'm not doing it right now just because for demonstration purposes, but if you oil your bits, they'll go through a little bit faster. Two big no-nos when you're drilling fresh metal: never run your finger over a new hole, and obviously don't rub the metal into your paint. You want to brush that off as easy as possible with a microfiber or what have you. As I rub my hand over the hole, like I said not to. Again, get that tape on there. That nut's going to fit right in the middle. A little bit more for the washer. Beautiful. Rubber band. Hopefully he's going to draw that just a little bit in tighter. Did a little bit. So that's how you install your fender washers there. Check me out for the next video. Car Craftsman's trying to grow, so hit that like button, subscribe if you feel like it, and we'll be back with more tips. Thank you.